if you watch YouTube and van lifers buy a plot for them, they usually first buy a generator. They can get unlimited electricity, but not us. We like the nature sounds. We have the solar system so large and battery bank so large that we don't need generator, and we don't want to use generator. If you buy a plot, I know it's intriguing to buy a generator because it's so easy. You just buy a generator and charge your batteries with that noisy little bastard, but still it's not something that we want. We want to live off-grid, we want to live in the nature, so solar is so much better.
Welcome to Compact Kitchen outdoors. Yeah, cooking food outdoors because we still don't have a water line, sewer line or gas pipe in a camper. So we have to live like this. Our shit is spread all over the forest. Luckily it's not bad weather, so we can cook our food outdoors. We will make some tortillas.
Good part of living in your camper in Finland, at least in the summer months, is that you have a unlimited amount of water available, so we don't have to like build water collection systems or something like that. We don't need any water collection system. This lake here, the water is totally drinkable. It has been tested, and we use it mainly for washing dishes and making coffee and cleaning and that kind of things. Yeah, we could drink that water, but still it's not running water like in the river or something. So even if it's now drinkable, there might be some things that get to your stomach. Measure 20 times and cut once. Yes, now the chimney pipe that goes there, the hole is marked, so we need to start cutting the hole. Yeah, it's always adventure to make new holes to your camper, which you have actually taken time to get waterproof, and then you make new holes that can leak. Yeah. All the extra holes can leak, but I'm pretty sure that this won't leak. Tuota joku pussi vielä tavalla. Yes, so now the hole is almost done from the inside. There's a small thing missing still because my saw doesn't get there. I have a small hand saw, so I'm gonna make the final cut. But also we have to cut from the ceiling, because this is so well insulated that even this on the upper end, it doesn't hit the metal ceiling. So I have to make the same drawings outside and again saw it. No niin, sit otat sieltä piippuun vasta, nyt mulla on täällä jo.
mihin tää adapteri nyt tulee?
Sen umpinaisen pinnan ja tän piipun väliin.
Eli mä vaan survon tätä pienemmäksi.
Joo. If you are Finn, you know this plate is familiar to you when you are going to sauna.
It's upside down.
There's a bee that tries to make a nest. In
Wasps
in this hole over here. Go away, go away, go away.
Sorry, Buck. We are not ready for the room yet.
Now is the plate over here and inside. That's because the diameter or safety distance from top of the stove to the ceiling is 1 meter, and we have just 55 centimeters. Barely. So if you put a plate like this, you can halve the safety distance always. And if you put 2 plates, it's just 25% of the original safety distance. But now
we have an echo.
We have an echo. Yeah, now it's safe to install. If you are thinking why our shooting angles are sometimes a bit off, because the screen on the GoPro went broken and we cannot see ourselves, so we are just
assuming
that we are on the shot. But the guarantee works, so we will get a new GoPro in a matter of weeks. Until then you can see maybe half of our face, or if we come here in the middle, whole face, or nothing. Yes, but it's almost installed. Just the glue and the kortsu, the condom. The most crucial part of the installation is when it goes through the ceiling, that it's safe. So we are using this kind of palovilla brasa fiber. So it will insulate even more the flue pipe, so the heat doesn't get to the wood that is surrounded by. Joo, mä tiedän. Työnnät sitä vähän sitä ylöspäin sille, että se ei pursu. To get the good draft on the small chimneys or short chimneys, you have to be at least 25 centimeters above the highest point of the ceiling. So that is highest point of the ceiling at the moment, and we are approximately 25 centimeters above it. So we're gonna check how high the truck is. Sarah will bring a measurement tape. It's high and it's big.
It's really high and it's really big. Hopefully we don't get trouble with the big chimney. It's beautiful.
Okay, let's measure the height. 88 centimeters plus 2.35. 3.27. So 3.3 meters is our height. We have seen a lot of tunnels with the 3.3. So it might be a problem. It might be not, but we will learn it someday. It was 1 day job to install the chimney. It's a lot of work. I think having like a perfect set of tools, it would take a couple of hours, but we have with what we have. We have to use our imagination and the tools we have to complete these kind of works. But we have a chimney. Basically we can use the wood stove already. So today's supper is fried potatoes and gyros chicken with it. Yeah, Sara is continuing with the painting of the camper and I'm preparing the wood stove. Yeah. All these days they took so much time. We started in the morning time, so preparing everything and doing everything, it takes always like triple or at least double the time you thought. Yes. But good food is the best thing ever. Now it's summertime, so these are like new potatoes, so they are the first crop. They don't have that thick skin and they taste a little bit better. I'm preparing food, and when I'm ready we're gonna eat them on those chairs. Luckily it's a good weather today, not tomorrow anymore. So we are taking advantage of this good weather so we can make as much as possible the camper. But always food tastes so much better outside. Now when the sides of the camper is painted, we have to deal with the roof. Yeah, this is a lot of more work than the sides, because the side has paint job is still good. This ain't good. The lacquer has actually chipped away, and there's old solar panel legs that I just removed. And yeah, these glues I'm gonna use a tough bit to take them out. But after doing the preppy work properly, it's easy paint after that. So taking legs out, taking the glue out, then sanding the whole thing and putting the aluminum primer there, and then just rolling, and that's it. Almost half of the roof is painted already. We ran out of primer, so we sanded only this part of the roof and painted it. So it's like done, this part. So we can put back on these beauty plates on the corners here. Yeah, you can see in the distance there is some rain clouds coming. Luckily this metal roof paint dries really quickly. I think in 5 minutes time, and in 20 minutes time it's like completely dry. So we can paint until it starts raining. Yeah, again, full day of painting. It's time consuming. This side is perfect. The back is still a work in progress until we get the aluminium plate. This side starts to be perfect. There is something that we have to paint, for example the frame of the door, but otherwise it's beautiful. And also the front, we have painted I think 3 coats of paint in the front also. So it's starting to get ready, the painting part. We have used this Technos Kirjo Aqua. It's a RAL 7039 color that we have used. It's basically grey as liikennemerkki.
Traffic sign.
Traffic sign grey. So back of the traffic signs it's the same grey. It might look different in here, I think, I don't know why. Maybe it's so big surface, so it looks darker. But the Technos Kirjo Aqua has been working great. So we are using foam rollers to paint the surfaces, and that's because it's not like a smooth surface. but it has a little bit of texture in it, and we like it. And it's a half matte, and hopefully this can last forever here. Yeah, and on the road we will have a little bit of paint, so if there's like scratches coming to it, we can just paint over it, and we don't have to like sand it and prime it and everything, just paint over it, so it will be easy. Yes, this is still a project. I have contacted 3 different companies already about the aluminum plate that we want. I just want to buy it, nothing else. You don't have to give me any service, just give me the plate and I'll pay. But it has been a struggle to find the right one. But everything is going forward. We don't have yet water inside. It's missing couple of connectors, and also the plumbing is missing 1 connector and gas is missing 1 connector. But everything is going forward. Oh, and about the paint, it's made for metal roofs, so it has some kind of rust proofing inside it, but aluminium, if there's a bare aluminium, you need primer. But because we have the paint beneath here, we don't need anything, just wash it and paint it. Yeah, it's turning little by little to our camper, because it wasn't our camper when we got it, because of the blue stripes and everything. Now it looks us, and a chimney is there. You can barely see it from this angle, and it's not that high now when